ka-go, go, go! Nandito naman tayo sa bagong vlog! Vlogan! And welcome to Aurora! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Cubao and we waited for 1 hour na pila. Then, we're going to have a cutting trip from here, Manila to Cabanatuan. It will be a 3 hours of trip from here to Cabanatuan. And from Cabanatuan to Baler, another 3 hours, which means 6 hours kami magta-travel. So, it is already 7:28 in the evening. So, ibig sabihin, dadating kami ng mga 1 or 2 a.m. na ng morning. So, tomorrow morning magkikita tayo sa breakfast at nasa Baler na kami. Guys, good morning. So this is our day 1 here in Baler. So last night ba? Hindi last night, kaninang madaling araw. We arrived at exactly 2 a.m. in the morning. So saktong-sakto yung estimated time ko na dating. So we travel for almost 6 hours and I think it's 6 hours. Yes, 6 hours yung travel namin from Manila to Baler. For going out, we're going to eat first. So for our breakfast, we have hot dog, fried na talong, tapos fried na talong. Ano to? Egg, scrambled egg, how about this one? Dried fish, sunny side up, and
maalat na itlog, fern salad.
We also have
Kinamot na itlog, kaya maalat.
Kinalat na kape.
We also
At kinalat na kape.
And never
At
forget.
nabasag
diba ang
na.
dami nilang nagabi?
At kinalsok itlog.
Ay,
Yan na nga,
ayan
may
pa.
tiramisu.
Yun. At merong bangus.
We also have asuman there and this
Banak.
one.
Nak ba? Montik na maging tiyana.
So let's eat,
Banak.
guys.
Nak ba? Uy, ang sarap.
Kakalakad namin, nakarating kami ng Aurora at kaya nasa Quezon na ulit kami, di ba? Isang street lang Aurora and then another street, Quezon! Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Diguisit. So Diguisit is a beach pero with a lot of rock formations. Look, it's so nice. Sobrang ganda. At meron sa likod ko, sobrang laking rock formations. Hindi lang ganun kaaraw ngayon, pero medyo umuulan-ulan, maambon-ambon. Pero sobrang ganda sa... Ay! Sobrang ganda pa rin. Kaya careful lang. Ito naman nangyari sa akin. Dapat careful lang kayo. Kasi medyo madulas kasi bato-bato. Look. There. Up. Nandun sila sa taas. Nagpipicture. Whoops. Whoops. Madulas. Madulas. Careful. Julanes, ano ba tong tour namin? Papunta kami ngayon ng Lighthouse. So we're going to walk from here up to there. So di ko alam kung kakayanin ng powers ko to. Pero umuulanes na. Go, 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 go! Grabe. Look. Look, this is, struggle. Okay lang, tinatapakan, safe lang? Safe. Oh my gosh. How can you?
Nabanday!
Ay, go! Careful, Kenneth. si Kenneth. Vlogging pa more, vlog pa more, te. Buhay pa!
Nabanday!
Oh my gosh, parang nakikita ko ng buong Baler. Wait lang. Hintayin nyo, guys.
Kailangan yung edit
Go, 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 go. This is how breathtaking Baler is! Woo! Dito kami ngayon sa Lighthouse! Sa taas kami, sa tuktok kami ng light.
Doon mas maganda sa kabilang side.
Oh my gosh, hayaan mo na. Ayoko na, di ko na kaya. Oh my gosh. Look guys. Look, 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 look. Oh my gosh.
Po kayo sa pinakang ano.
Achievement to, guys. So guys, we're here on our third destination. So ang third destination namin yung Balete tree. So this Balete tree is the biggest Balete tree in the whole Asia. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalaki. So guys, we are here to our next destination, which is yung Mother Falls. Am I right? Mother Falls tayo.
Father ko.
Father Falls. Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka!
So, paakyat na naman, magte-trekking na naman kami mga moms.
So yun nga, nasaan tayo?
Nasa Mother Falls.
Mother
Wala pang
Falls.
Father Falls.
Wala nga Father Falls eh.
So, titingnan namin kung makakapag-swimming kami kasi sobrang lamig daw at madami daw cases na nagkakaroon
Truly!
sila. Nagkakaroon ng hypothermia yung mga
Ano nga ba ang hypothermia?
So when we say hypothermia, i-google mo na yan!
Dito na kami sa dab-dab.
Ipa-photography skills pala to si Kuya. Di ba?
Hands up po, ma'am, sir. Hands up. Okay. Thumbs up.
Finally here in the Mother Falls! Guys, this is our day 2 in Baler and we are going to Sabang Beach! And anong gagawin natin? Mag-surf, surf, surf! Uy, yung malalaki, ayaw ko na. Huwag na yung malalaki, mababali yung buto ko. So that's it guys for this vlog. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you consider to subscribe to my channel, please do not hesitate to do so. Subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated to my next video. This is me, Kakaning Ugat, and this is my Bessie, Super Nads.
Yeah.
Carpe diem, and God bless us all.
Dito. Yeah.